Happy day, students. Let's see the concept of Ohm's law. So what is meant by Ohm's law? What the statement it has given? Ohm's law means simply statement at constant temperature. At constant temperature, the voltage or potential difference across the conductor is directly proportional to the directly proportional to the current. Okay, so this is the statement of at constant temperature the voltage across the conductor is directly proportional to the current passing through it. Okay, so this is the statement of Ohm's law. So what here? So let's consider a conductor. So from this, it's let it called as resistor also, no problem. So here from one end to other end, between these two ends there is a difference, potential difference. As we already discussed about potential difference, current always moves from high potential to low potential. So now current is moving from high potential to low potential. Okay, when this will be happen, there is a difference in the potential, high to low, then only it will passes. So according to the statement, current is directly proportional to the voltage is directly proportional to the current. From this, V equal to IR. This will be written as V equal to IR. It represents Ohm's law. What is meant by resistance? What is R here? R is the proportionality constant. What will we call that? R is proportionality constant. Okay, R is called proportionality constant, and this is only called as resistance. What will we call that? Resistance. So from this formula, how this will be written as? What is meant by resistance? Resistance is nothing but it is the flow of opposition of electrons or opposition of flow of electrons. So it will oppose the flow of amount of current through the conductor, that is called resistance. Okay, we'll discuss about resistance little later. Let's complete this Ohm's law. So V equal to IR. According to this formula, resistance R equal to V by I, where V is the voltage, I is the current. So what is the units for voltage? Volt. Okay, what is the units for current? Ampere. Okay, so what are the units of resistance now? Volt per ampere. Okay, or ohm. This is the symbol of ohm. Okay, ohm is the unit and that is the symbol. Resistance. Okay, clear? So resistance unit, that means 1 ohm equal to 1 volt per 1 ampere. So this is the definition of 1 ohm. 1 ohm equal to 1 volt per 1 ampere. Okay, got it? So Ohm's law means at constant temperature the voltage across the conductor is directly proportional. That means when current increases, voltage also increases. When current decreases, voltage also decreases. So that both are depends. Okay, so from this, if the current increases, resistance will be decreases. Okay, if the current increases, resistance will be decreases. If current decreases, resistance will be increases, as resistance is inversely proportional to the current. Okay, got it? So from this, how can we find the Ohm's law? So here, this is the graph of Ohm's law. So this will be the voltage and this will be the current. On x-axis current will be taken, y-axis voltage will be taken. Is it need to be only on v is on y-axis, I is on x-axis? No, it can be anything because it depends on one another, so it can be anything. So the graph will be like this straight line. So what it represents at constant temperature, that means temperature is constant at that point. If the voltage is getting increases or current is getting increases, voltage is also be increased. That's what it represents. Voltage is proportional to I. Okay, so from this slope under this VI graph, slope under VI graph, what it will use? Voltage current graph will use resistance. Slope under current voltage current graph will use resistance. How? Slope means this is the slope. Okay, so with this slope, how can we find this angle? Let's consider some angle theta. Here two things I am going to say, listen carefully. So tan theta, what is the formula for tan theta? Opposite side by adjacent side. So let's consider this is the slope and this is an angle theta. Okay, so theta equal to tan theta equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Which is opposite side? This is an opposite side and this is an adjacent side. Opposite side is parallel to V, so opposite side is V. Adjacent side is parallel to X. On X axis we consider I. So V by I is nothing but R. Okay, so from the slope under current voltage current graph will gives resistance. Okay, so from this tan theta equal to R. Tan theta equal to R. So this is the formula which will be important when they are asking about angles. In case if the angle is 45 degrees, the angle is 45 degrees, then what is the resistance? Resistance is 1 ohm. Why it is 1 ohm? Tan 45 value is 1, so resistance is 1. Okay, if in case the resistance I considered current is on y-axis, voltage is on x-axis. Now also the graph will be straight line as the temperature is constant. Okay, so as the temperature is constant, graph will be a straight line slope. So here is also slope only, no? So here slope under current voltage graph, slope under current voltage graph will gives reciprocal of the resistance. It will gives reciprocal of the resistance. How the reciprocal of the resistance will come? Okay, we'll see now. So now here as before we considered this is the theta. So here is also will be considered same tan theta. Tan theta equal to opposite side. What is the opposite side here? I. Adjacent side is V. So I by V equal to 1 by R only, no? As V equal to IR, R equal to V by I, then when you reciprocal both 1 by R equal to I by V. So this also I by V, no? I by V is equal to 1 by R. So this is the tan theta. So tan theta equal to 1 by R when the voltage is along x-axis, current is along y-axis. So from this, what are the units of this? Reciprocal of the resistance is called, what is the unit of resistance? Ohm. So 1 by ohm can I write? Or ohm inverse. Okay, or if you want to write like this, ohm inverse or MHO. This is also a unit of Ohm's law, reciprocal of the resistance. See, one more point I want. This reciprocal of the resistance is also called as conductance. Reciprocal of the resistance is also called as conductance. Okay, this is a simple brief explanation about Ohm's law.